Hello and welcome to another daily unboxing. We have a box here from Saucony, New York running shoes. Very plain looking box, very understated here. That's where they do things in New York City. So let's take a look here. It's the Jazz Original Vintage Tan White Wine. There's some numbers and stuff. Very understated box. Saucony, New York. Again, it's fine athletic footwear. Well, that's good to know. Okay, so let's get on with it. Open it up and some nice, again, very understated craft paper in there. I like that. They're not, they don't mess around with frills in New York. Now let's see the shoe. And yeah, that's a shoe. And so the beige with this wine color, and then we have the two-tone shoelaces. What's up with that? It has two sets of laces run through it. Has a whole separate lace just for the top two eyelets. That's interesting. It gives you a lot of security up here at the top, I guess. So that'll be good. That'll be good for some good runs. And yep, it's a bottom. These aren't cleats. They're just little triangle treads. Interesting. Yeah. So let's see what else is in there. There is another shoe. Yep, two sets left. Oh, so I didn't notice. It says Saucony, New York on the inside. Yeah, that's very much like the other one. And got to check these things. Yeah, it's there's one for each foot. That's good to know. All right, this has been another daily unboxing. Hope you have a good day.